Only 69k miles. Performance package. Driver assist package. Heads-up display. Heated/cooled seats. Heated rear seats. Heated steering wheel. Bose stereo. Alloy wheels. Backup camera. Collision avoidance. GPS navigation/radio/Sirius/blue lane departure warning. Memory seats. Panoramic sunroof. Power sliding sunroof. Push to start button. Cruise control. Leather seats. Navigation. Power seats. Blind spot monitoring. Dynamic stability control. Keyless remote entry. Reverse backup sensors. Outstanding craftsmanship and artisanal refinements abound with this Cadillac CTS. Start enjoying more time in your new ride and less time at the gas station with this 2016 Cadillac CTS Sedan. A Cadillac with as few as 69k miles as this one is a rare find. This CTS Sedan performance was gently driven and it shows. Added comfort with contemporary style is the leather interior to heighten the quality and craftsmanship for the gorgeous Cadillac CTS. This vehicle includes all 34 services and maintenance records, so you can feel more confident about your buying decision. This gently driven vehicle has been well kept and still has the showroom shine. You demand the best in everything, so why would your automobile be any different? Enjoy the best features available in this stunning Cadillac CTS with 69k miles. Give our sales team a call at 828-464-0600 or check us out on the web at www.tradingpostcars.com for more pictures and a live video of this car. Family owned and operated for over 45 years with an A+ rating with the BBB. We would love for you to come be a part of our family.